Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Chambers channel. Stop what you're doing. This is what you should be doing. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. 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 One thing I get asked all the time is, Todd, what is the right website for me to start investing in? So I'm going to break down the main platforms for you if you're a beginner. Keep in mind that you have to tailor each platform that you invest in to your investment style or even your lifestyle. The first platform I'm going to talk about is the one I'm asked about the most, and that's Robinhood. Robinhood came on the scene a few years ago and is a great app for beginning investors. They changed the game with commission-free trading, but now all their competition also offers trading for free. So where are they now? Robinhood is a simple interface for buying and selling. It's very mobile friendly and works best on your phone. It has a very easy interface for following your investments and getting updates on your stocks. If you're an advanced trader, Robinhood might not be for you. In general, trades are rather more for speed than price. Also, research tools are very limited. But when it comes to making trades as easy as possible, Robinhood is great. It also offers options trading and fractional shares. So if you want to be more advanced, you can. If you want something more fleshed out, I recommend trading on Fidelity. It's not anywhere near as phone friendly as Robinhood, and trading on their platform is more complicated. However, they offer the widest selection of research tools on the market. You should definitely check out their stock screener. Fidelity is designed for people who want to invest long term. If you want to trade options or commodities, this is not the platform for you. But if you want to find a mutual fund, an index fund, or individual stocks, their tools is second to none. Just remember, you'll probably need a laptop or desktop computer to get the best out of Fidelity. It's not the most phone-friendly platform out there. One platform that goes under the radar is Charles Schwab. If Robinhood changed the game by going no fee, then Charles Schwab blew the doors off. In 2019, they acquired TD Ameritrade and announced no fee investing. This caused every competitor to follow suit. Now in 2020, no fee trading is the norm. They have a platform called Street Smart Edge. It adapts very well to mobile and they have a very robust ETF screener. If you are an aggressive short-term investor, ETrade might be the best platform for you. They have two apps. One is for regular trading and the other is called Power ETrade. Power ETrade is for options and futures trading. One thing that's good with ETrade is that you can simulate your results without actually doing the trading. This means that you can test strategies without actually losing any money. Also, they have extensive research tools for people who want to do deep analysis on the stock. If you want to track advanced price movement, ETrade is the right platform for you. If you want to upgrade your financial literacy, you might want to look up TD Ameritrade. They were acquired by Charles Schwab this year, but they still have really strong educational tools. Training is at the core of their offering. Also, they offer in-person education at over 280 offices across the US. Also, they have a really good one-page dashboard where you can check your portfolio and make trades. Like Fidelity, they also have a really strong stock screener. Vanguard is really for the ETF holder. Its education services are for the buy and hold investors. While that might sound boring, it's probably the best philosophy for making and not losing your money. It's a great platform for education about long-term investing. But at the same time, if you're looking for real-time research or short-term plays, it's probably not the platform for you. Also, keep in mind that most major banks have investment accounts. So if you want an easy way to start investing, just talk to your local bank. One of the new things that has entered the market are Robo-Advisors. They handle all the effort of planning a strategy for you. But I'll cover those in a different video. I hope this video has been very helpful for you in terms of picking long-term and short-term investments, as well as picking the right platform. So if you don't mind subscribing to my channel, smashing that like button, and turning on post notifications so you can get more of this content.